Okay, guys, Friday, 30th of April, after 5 o'clock on a Friday afternoon in the UK. Okay, so what happened today? Looking good. So, let me move this down. For Bitcoin, remember we were looking for this A to finish and waiting for B wave to finish off, and then go for the C, which hopefully, or we think it might, bring a big drop down from there. But how beautiful is this bullish candle going up from the B wave? So that is looking very good. If I just go to, okay, so still look for this to move all the way up to 60 or 61,000 area. Once it gets down there, we need to look at it again. Remember I said it can break right through and go, which is awesome for this expanded wave, or it'll be an A down, B and C down again for another big low before the big move up. So we need to see what happens here at the 61,000. If it stays below 61,000, then it's bad news. If it breaks it right through 61,000, then, well, then it's going to be huge. Okay, so let me just go to Ethereum. Ethereum, like I said yesterday, very tired. It's moving slightly up in this, ending diagonal. And I told you guys it's going to do at some stage, it might even get to 2.8. Where's 2.8? About there, or 3,000, whatever. But it needs to do some sort of correction at some stage. See how everything has moved up today, and this thing is it's tired now. It's got to the top. So Bitcoin moving very nicely. Let me go back there. Okay, massive candle. Litecoin has been so slow lately. This last week has actually found a little bit of support there and moved up again. So if we go to 1 hour, let's have a quick look. So it broke out of it, came back to retrace, found support, and slowly making its way up. Not the biggest move at the moment, but yeah, at least it's moving up. Okay, so looking at this Bitcoin move like this, there is another chart we can look at. It's called Bitcoin dominance, and it's been going down and down and down for the last few weeks. This means now it's about to turn up, which is doing right now. So which means basically for the last few weeks, altcoins, which is Ethereum, Litecoin, Xrp, and all other little coins or shit coins, they've been going up very nicely. They're about to slow right down, might even come down a bit, while Bitcoin is actually taking over again as the ruler, the king here. So it's going to go up again, hard, get up there, and everything will be dragged down if this comes down. But if it keeps going up, it will bring others with it, but very slowly. Those other ones are not as strong after today, I think. So be careful if you're buying Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, Doji, ADA, all the other coins, they are going to slow down right now. Okay, so let's go to our baby, which is XRP Ripple. Beautiful, beautiful move today. So had our 1, 2, 3, 4, finally broken out of the 4, made away 5 at the moment, and still building. So let's look at the 1 hour. Okay, so if I just, yeah, okay, so looking good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So close to my target, 170. So it's right now at, was it 164? And now it's going up again. So, okay, devil's advocate. So I'm thinking this is the one, oh, come on. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's done. That could be wave 3, the minor wave 3 in the major wave 5. So long story short, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the major wave. For the minor waves, this could be a very slow moving up 1. There's our 2. There's our 3. There's our 4. So hopefully we'll make another new high, which is right about there. So I might just see my 1.7, yeah, 170 zone anyway. So that'll be good. And from there, just be aware that you will or could, doesn't mean it will, but it could do a little bit of a correction for A, and then B and C more, and then up. Okay. But right now, moving very strongly. Look at that. Okay, let me zoom in here. Okay, so up, down, down. Okay, so candle's going very strongly now. Now, if this goes up to there, just watch this candle now. If it goes up to there and makes like we call a pin bar, so the candles like this and a long wick, they just expect a little bit of a retrace of the weekend and then another move up again. All right, so the moment the court case today was good news, wasn't bad news, so it didn't crash, which is the main thing we have to look at right now. So I'm just happy the way it is working out now. To be honest, I'm trying to figure out, do I actually close my buys at this level? Okay. Or do I actually just hold on and hold? I want to hold, but I'm thinking maybe I should just take half out and then watch the retrace and then buy again. But it's not guaranteed as always, so the choice is yours. Let me go to the 4-hour chart and let's see what we've got. We've got, okay, so I've drawn this projection. Now guys, please, this is just me playing around thinking that the technical analysis might do an ABC down, another way up to there. So that would be our minimum target. So if I go to, if this, okay, this is my first move up, I need a correction down to there and an equal move up again. So that's why I'm looking at just over $2. If that works out, that's perfect. So I'm very happy with that. Obviously, I'm looking for this thing to keep going and just keep going. But it might, like Bitcoin, might get there and do a bigger correction before it decides to go up again. So at the moment, I'm looking at this correction and up again. So if you're trading now, I wouldn't buy right now. Wait for it to come down back to 140 zone, or if we were lucky, 125, 130 zone. This is a very good area to buy again. So if you missed the first move, and I keep telling you to buy this thing, but if you missed the first move, just come down to maybe 130, and then definitely buy again for the next move up to just over $2. Okay, good luck.